Hello, it is about 2:30 in the morning, and welcome to this weather alert. We have to do this weather alert because we have a line of thunderstorms that have now just developed over Long Island in the middle of the night. Noticed it and have to update you on this. These storms are pretty bad. As you can see here, looking at this radar here, you can see the dark reds, and we're seeing a lot of lightning now, a lot of lightning strikes with this popping up over here. So these are some pretty nasty storms that are now hitting the south shore of Suffolk County. And again, if we look at the radar, you see it started off as a narrow line of storms and then just kind of blossomed as it headed toward the south shore. So it's like a narrow line formed over the North Shore. We just had like a little light shower, and then, well, not a light shower. It was a decent shower. But now it is making its way to the South Shore, and this is a pretty nasty storm. So you can see here it is on the Ventus sky. You can see right around Babylon. This whole area is getting pounded. Yeah, some more lightning strikes now coming in. So we're seeing these storms really ramp up as they head south and east of the area. This was not expected tonight. We're not expecting any storms, and they weren't really indicated on any of the models, but another surprise Mother Nature is throwing at us. So we're going to look at some of these cameras here and show you what is going on in this area. So here is, look at the view of the video here. The shower has not hit this part yet of Suffolk. It does not look like it is raining yet. It is just starting to rain here. This is right around Sayville. The storms are just to the west of there. You can see the lightning flashing. Let's see if we can get a little further west here. None of these work. This one works. Yeah, so it looks like it's raining here. Yep, I see the rain coming onto the lens. So these are some strong storms here that are affecting southern Suffolk County, south shore of Suffolk County. And these storms here, we'll refresh the radar again one more time. You can see here they are. So they're making their way quickly to the south shore, and they will make it offshore very shortly. However, these storms did have some, see some more lightning strikes here on the lightning map. They did have some strong winds with them, and I want to just look over the observation from Farmingdale here of these storms when they moved through. So they had reported 73, but northwest wind at 18, gusting to 23. So these are some gusty thunderstorms, strong thunderstorms heading toward the south shore. I don't think they're causing too much damage yet as far as power outages go. No, there aren't. So again, just a reminder that if you do get woken up by thunder, this is the reason why. A strong line of thunderstorms making its way now off the south shore of Suffolk County.